Hello, welcome to my channel. And finally we are having Student Diary episode 10. My holiday for Christmas was a bit longer than I supposed to be because I wasn't well last week, but no worries, I'm fine now. And today we have a lovely sunny winter morning with blue sky and a bit of frost on the grass, but no snow. South England is free of snow. I'm actually quite excited to go back to college because I really miss our every week activities in the garden. So let's see what's happening as well in one garden, Brighton. How garden looks at the moment. Yeah, very shortly I will be back. It still looks beautiful, but imagine my surprise when in January I found these little fellas. It looks like a lovely day for work in a garden, so we've been very busy. Well, it was the most productive day ever. We managed to plant 2 rows of hedges, and I'm so tired. I guess the long break also affects my abilities. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I'm tired but satisfied. Going home. See you next time. Bye.